So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Divine Tarot and I am Deepa. So I am here to convey the messages from the universe, and I usually don't edit these videos. I just join and post them because everything a reader does, there is a message conveyed. So I just have 3 decks and 1 oracle deck with me. I don't have much cards today because I just didn't feel like picking up the other decks. I just go with the flow, okay? So let's see what the spirit wants to convey today. I didn't even shuffle my the deck. I don't know how long this video is going to be because the other video that I did on 11/11 was very, very, very long, and many of you came back to me, in my Instagram account, obviously, that this is what is exactly happening, or this is happening right now, that is happening. Most of you connected to my energy. I'm very happy you guys found the answer to the question that you were looking out for, right? So I'm using my Radar White. I didn't shuffle this, so let me just give a quick shuffle. Okay, I want to shuffle thoroughly. Okay, so even before I pick this the messages, I'm feeling angry. I don't know why. Maybe the divine feminines are angry. Let me know if it resonates. I'm feeling like the divine feminines are angry. Let me know if if any of you are angry. Okay, so I've thoroughly shuffled this. Let me do the cut. I saw a Hierophant in the bottom. Yeah. So okay, I'm feeling to share some of the things that related to my divine masculine, obviously, because I'm feeling like maybe it could relate to some of you. I don't know why today I'm feeling to share. So okay, so a person like me who helps so many people, even me, we have to go through this, okay? But we are calmer because we know beforehand that this is happening. So obviously I cannot tell you entirely like what is happening, but there are some things which I do not like. Obviously I am a Scorpion, so we are very straightforward, and every zodiac has a way of handling things. And coming to a Scorpion, when they shower love and that is not reciprocated well, a Scorpion, they don't fight with you, they don't have an argument with you, they don't say you bad words or something like that. They don't show anger at all. How a Scorpion works is they reduce the love they had for you before. Yeah, I got King of Swords in the bottom, so I'm gonna pick that card. Okay, so we got a King of Swords. King of Swords is a very straightforward person, and a King of Swords is also a very good looking person. So yeah, so King of Swords is something like you can also see the butterfly here, right? So King of Swords is something very straightforward. I'm just going with the flow, guys, okay? Even I know what the energy is today, but I'm just going with the flow. So King of Swords is very straightforward with his mouth. And what I'm feeling today is that there is a lot of anger. I'm picking up Divine Feminine today for some reason. Even when I was just arranging my cards, I just picked up Divine Feminine. Okay? So I'll tell you some of the incidents that happened with my divine masculine. To some of you it may convey. Obviously I'm a reader, so I understand, but ultimately even I am a divine feminine. Okay, so a King of Swords is like, he's not a King of Cups. Okay, a King of Swords is not a King of Cups, so just take the gender, okay? But this is divine feminine, I'm sure of that. So a Scorpion, the way the Scorpion handles is they reduce love. Like they don't love you like they used to before because they gave you that chance, right? And always, a Scorpion, I'm telling you, before my ex relationships, always I get asked like, you are not loving me like before. I always get this asked because you have done things like that. That's why I tell you, Scorpion will never fight with you. They will not, give you the attention like they used to give you before. They will not love you like they used to love you before. It is happening, right? It is happening like that. They just react to how their heart is feeling. We are very straightforward, okay? We don't know to, act like somebody else. So that's why you should never, do. And always a Scorpion, whatever a Scorpion always conveys, always happens. But it's always the other zodiacs that feel it later. That is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so I'm gonna tell you like some of the incidents with my Divine Masculine. Yeah, we're trying to balance it out. I got the Temperance, Page of Wands. Okay, so this is the Divine Masculine scared that you will have a sexual relationship with somebody. I'm talking about the Divine Feminine. The Divine Masculine is shit scared that you'll move on. You can see this person, okay, how hardly he is holding the stick. Okay, so I'll tell you some of the incidents that happened with my Divine Masculine. Okay, so this happened in, I think, this year, February or March, I think so. So my Divine Masculine, obviously I'm a tarot card reader and astrologer. I have the gift of seeing future, and because based on my intuition. Okay, so I always warned him. Before that thing happening to him, because obviously I care for him. You cannot deny this fact that you care for this person, you love this person, but it is the behavior and the mind that triggers in a twin flame relationship. Because the Divine Masculine, I'll tell you, as a Divine Feminine, I'm conveying to all you Divine Feminines that never have expectation. Have zero expectation from your Divine Masculine, because he's never going to live up to those. He will do something weird. He will do something weird which you'll not expect, and it will hurt you. So that's what I'm telling, that being a Divine Feminine, obviously there are times when I cried as well. But I'm not going to do that, because I want you guys to also make yourself strong. That your Divine Masculine is never going to live up to your expectation. He's never going to do things normally. There is always, the thing is that he knows it that he's hurting you, but still he chooses to do that. That is what is the King of Swords. Exactly. See guys, I'm just here to convey the energy. This is the exact energy that is happening. So I want you guys to just take what resonates and just leave the rest. Okay, you will obviously Divine Feminine is always 10 times above Divine Masculine. It is just the Divine Masculine that needs to accept. Okay, so I was just telling my story. This is I always warned him, because I have this talent. What should I do? I have this talent. Obviously, I'm going to tell, right? And I'm a Scorpion as well, and you know how straightforward Scorpions are. So I told him a couple of things. I don't want to tell the details, okay? It's his personal matter. So I told him, for warning him that this XYZ is going to happen, I got blocked. Okay? So I know many of you Divine Feminines are also blocked by Divine Masculine, or you blocked your Divine Masculine. It could be, okay? So I got blocked for just telling him to be careful, caring for him, or just showing love, because I was scared, because I could foresee the future. Okay? And from so many years, I in fact tried to tell him many things which have actually happened, and they have happened more, like with more intensity than what I had foreseen. I know that this XYZ reason is going to happen, right? But then I want him, but he never listened to me. Okay, that's why I stopped bothering. This Temperance is exactly that. Why I'm telling my story is that you could relate to this. So I just stopped. I just shut my brain out. Okay, I shut my brain out, because I don't want to tell anything anymore, because it was a shock to me when he blocked me. Okay, obviously your Divine Masculine blocked me. Obviously my Divine Masculine blocked me. Like that, your Divine Masculine or you Divine Feminine itself must have blocked. There is something related to block here. Let me know if it resonates. Okay, not only that, I got blocked on call. I have a personal number and I have a business number. Okay, because obviously for my business number I take all the calls regarding my tarot and all of that. Okay, so I got blocked on everywhere. Okay, so this is a true story. Even when I'm going to write my Twin Flame Journey book, I'm going to write this. So I got blocked for caring for him, or for loving for him, or just out of curiosity, because I don't want him to go through that pain, or I don't want him to see that that painful phase. That's why I warned him, but still I got blocked. So what is the moral of the story? So they are going to treat you like shit. That is what I'm trying to tell you, all you Divine Feminines. Just don't have expectation, okay? Even I didn't get wished on my birthday. So now when he's going to come back, he'll come back with an answer that I don't know when is your birthday, right? But I know the fact that he knew it and still chose not to do it. Okay, they know that doing this will hurt you. They know that by acting this way, it is going to hurt you. But still they chose to do that. That is what triggers, right? Then you have to bear the consequences of, when they... I can see some of you Divine Feminines already moved on as well, because this is a card of moving on. Yeah, moved on. But this guy, Divine Masculine, is holding you very tightly, because, okay, so still this guy, okay, these wrong people that he is with, he still chooses to be with them. He still, you are only, he takes out anger only on you. I don't know why, because we got the Lovers card. I don't know why, guys, the energy is like this today, okay? Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Maybe in the next reading it will be different. Who knows? Right? I'm just here to pick the energy and convey to you guys. I'm just the energy decoder, okay? Why I told my story is that, like, these things happen. So, okay, I know that he will not wish me. So I didn't have any expectation. If he had wished me, I would have felt happy. So that's why I have zero expectation. That is the only trick, that you will have your peace of mind, Divine Feminine. Otherwise, this, just stay in your energy. Just focus on your passion. Just do... I'm talking about Divine Feminine, okay? So just, do what you want to do. Don't sit there and wait for somebody, okay? I can also see that some of you moved on, but this guy is holding on to you very, very tightly. This is the card. How much? Yeah, 11 minutes I spoke. So yeah, he's holding on to you very hardly, because he don't want you to go. I don't know, yaar, why the energy is like this today. This is Divine Masculine. I told you the word, right? 10 times he has seen more pain of what to predict, what you had been saying. You need not be an astrologer or tarot card reader. You already have the intuition power, so maybe you were warning certain things. To not believe this person or not do that. Okay? Now this guy is full of love. See the synchronicity, okay? I'll just show you these 4 cards. So we have the Page of Wands. This is the Divine Masculine holding on to you very tightly, right? He don't want you to move on. Then we got the Lovers card. He's holding on to you on the Divine Feminine. Then we got this, because he's feeling like others, apart from you, apart from his Divine Feminine, everybody backstabbed him, everybody treated him like shit, which you already had been telling, okay? And then we got Ace of Cups. See the order. So Ace of Cups is a love offer. He's telling you, please don't move on. I have something, I want to, make up for everything that I've done for you. Done wrong, obviously. Okay, I can see the Divine Feminine is angry. She will not take shit, okay? You shouldn't, because you were not treated nicely. So till today, it's almost gonna be a year, I have not been unblocked, okay? That is what triggers me. That he wants me to show the love like I used to show before, but he will not do what needs to be done. He will not unblock me everywhere. He will not come and apologize to me that, okay, I have done this XYZ things wrong. I want you to forgive me. Let's move on. See, here the only option is just asking for forgiveness, okay? Ace of Cups. That's what the universe is trying to tell you, because we got it under Temperance. That's what the universe is trying to tell you, that only apologizing and moving forward is the answer here. Okay, you just say that, yeah, I have been wrong. But now I understand, whatever it is, I want to apologize. Ace of Cups is also an apology. So just apologize, because you're ruining the present as well. Okay, anyway, nobody can change the past. These things have already happened, right? You cannot go back in time and erase that, right? So you have to accept it. Say, go and forgive, ask for forgiveness. Just say sorry. This also he will not do. Yeah, he wants you to do everything. In fact, I tell if all the things that my Divine Masculine has done, it will shock many of you will connect to me. Everybody has a story, okay? So in my tarot journey, when I, speak to various Divine Feminines, all of them have a story. All of them have a unique story. Sometimes I'm shocked, like the Divine Feminine has taken such shit, even if, this guy has done all this. So, okay. It is not the point of he loves you or not. He loves you, okay? Even Divine Feminine loves him. But this behavior is what is not, we are not able to understand. The Chariot shows that, you know, he wants things to forward, you know, progress. He wants you to give a love offer, because it came after Ace of Cups. I can see 50, it is 50-50 right here. 50% of Divine Feminines have already moved on. See, now he is feeling, now he is understanding. And in fact, this 5 of Pentacles is also 5 years. So 5 years. And let me know, in the last reading also I got a 5 number. So let me know if 5 is a importance of, you know, 5 is an important number to you maybe. Okay, he's holding on to you. Just see, look at these cards. All these are like holding on to you, don't want you to go. He's already declared, even without an official proposal, okay, without an official proposal of Ace of Cups, he has already declared you to be his. You got 9 of Cups. You can see this man, okay, how he's just declaring, how he's just sitting there in that seat without an official proposal. He wants you to understand it. We got the Devil, okay. He's very, very selfish that he wants you to himself. A to Z. Okay, now I'm going to choose another deck. I'm using the Mystic Tarot. So I'm going to shuffle this. So, okay, so even I am not, you know, a person like me who's a guidance to so many of them, even I am not spared. So that's why I'm telling you. See, it is his, even if he tells 1,000 sorry now, that the thing that he has done will not be erased. Obviously, we need not fight, you know, that, you know, I want you guys to forgive. Forgive and just move on, okay? Just go with the flow. Just, I'm talking about Divine Masculine. You know, ultimate, that's what the Spirit is trying to tell you, because I got it under Temperance. Temperance is an angel. So Temperance, that's what the Spirit is telling you, that okay, you have done this. Just tell us sorry and move on. That's what I'm telling you. Divine Masculine, if you're watching this, you know, please just move things forward, because I can already see 50% of them moved on, because I got the Chariot. Now if I tell this, he will think his Divine Feminine also moved on. Why does the Divine Masculine always choose the opposite thing? I don't know. You know, like I said, I stopped, I know many things. I want to tell him so badly, like so badly. I just control myself and I shut myself out. I keep, you know, finger on my lips. I don't want to, you know, it'll ruin my peace of mind, because I have a lot of workload. Okay. So Divine Feminine, I think you guys have a lot of workload as well, like me. Because yesterday I was fasting. I do Saturday fast, okay? So yesterday I was doing Saturday fast, and in the night, whole day I was fasting, and my dinner got late. I had around 9 or something, and I was working till 2:30 in the night. And in the morning when I woke up, because I gave like food interval of so much gap, my stomach was hurting like hell in the morning. So yeah. So most of you, I think, are in a workload situation. I'm talking about Divine Feminine. Yeah. So Divine Feminine, always understand one thing. Universe is always on your side, okay? And I'm again getting Saturn, yeah, because of the Devil, I think. So I just want to tell you a story, okay? So this is in our Hindu mythology. So coming to, yeah, King of Cups. So coming to, you know, why I tell you universe is on Divine Feminine side is because Divine Feminine has always been true, right? And if you go by astrology, the Saturn is there, right? Saturn is nothing but the Lord of Karma. So Lord of Karma, I'll tell you why he plays a very important role, especially when in a twin flame journey. If you go astrologically, Saturn plays a very important role, because Saturn is like your big brother. Okay, he's like an army officer. He teaches things with beatings only. That is how, you know, that is how it Saturn works. And Saturn, I'll tell you why he's a big brother. Because once when his sister is nothing but Yamuna, we call the river Yamuna his sister, okay? When she was being raped, Saturn went there and he punished. And, you know, the person who was raping it is Moon, the moon god. He was trying to rape his sister. So he went there and saved, you know, his sister. That's why it's like a big brother. Always when anything wrong happens with a woman, Saturn is always there. If we go astrologically, okay, everything has a, you know, it's just different versions. So if you follow tarot, it's nothing but spirits and guides. If you go by astrologically, it is Saturn. So Saturn always comes for a rescue of a woman, right? He doesn't tolerate a woman being ill-treated. If Saturn punishes a woman, just understand that you have done shitty things, okay? Otherwise Saturn never punishes a woman. And because that is exactly your the 7.5 years, you know, that Sade Sati, what we call, right? That is exactly that, where he troubles moon for 7.5 years. And in a person's life, that comes thrice, 3 times it comes. So good, you know, 23 years are gone in that. So yeah, that's why Saturn is very, very, very important. That's why you need to always follow the path of righteousness, truth, because Saturn stands by that, right? That is the astrological aspect. Obviously, I am an astrologer as well, a tarot reader as well. That's why I want to convey both, right? Okay, there is a lot of words, like I'm speaking overall because you know, other day I already cracked like what is happening. I want you guys to check out that video wherein I've done an in-depth analysis, okay? So now this is what is going on. This guy is not, you know, he is busy sexing other girls just to forget you or, you know, reduce his pain. But his divine feminine needs to be there for him. I don't understand what is this kind of possessiveness, okay? Even temperance shows that. And 4 of Wands, he wants to give you commitment. Then just, I don't know why he will not be there. That's what the spirit is telling him, that you need to be emotionally there for this girl. Okay, you may have your work, or even this girl may have you know, her work. She may be busy in her work, but nobody is talking here 24 hours. Okay, you're not there emotionally with this girl. Even when I was telling, you know, this car is falling down, you're not there emotionally with your divine feminine. And he wants to, you know, to be there, because I got it on top of Chariot. He wants you to wait for him. It better be some big offer, okay? Otherwise I see a lot of, yeah, 10 of Cups. Now he is full of love. See, he treated you like an option in the past, okay? I'm telling you about past. Now this guy has opened his eyes wide open, okay? And like I said, Saturn, even King of Cups is a Saturn, because I was telling about moon story. Why, like, I have only one question. Why do you need to destroy everything to realize something? Why can't you just grab something quicker? That is what I have, you know. I don't know why the energy is like this today. Maybe many of you divine feminines are in anger because the card opening started with King of Swords. You're angry. That is what I'm exactly picking up. Picking up anger. I'm using the lights here, okay? Yeah, you guys are busy in your work. Overtiming. Like I said. The Empress. You are super perfect, okay? Divine Feminine, please tell yourself this. Like I said, Twin Flame journey is about Divine Masculine. Okay, you have done this, but why don't you just apologize and move on is my question. Why do you have to, you know, spoil your present as well for something that you have done in the past? Why can't you just, you know, apologize and just move on? Like I said, I've been almost, now I will celebrate the anniversary of me being blocked. 1 year anniversary. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Many of you Divine Feminine, I'm picking up Divine Feminine today too strongly than Divine Masculine. You're a Queen of Swords. If this guy does any more bullshit, you will leave him. Also, I'll tell you how. We got a King of Swords and a Queen of Swords. We got a pair, okay? That's it. You're super angry, Divine Feminine. Queen of Swords is anger. 4 of Pentacles. I'm getting a lot of cards of work. Even Divine Masculine may be busy in his work. But what he done is not acceptable, okay? It is anyway your choice, Divine Feminine, to choose what you want to do. I'm just here to decode energy for you. Like if you ask me, this guy knows your worth, he knows your worth. And you know, he didn't know your worth just like that. Okay, he has done shitty things. He has had sex with other women to forget you. He has chosen other women over you. He has done all these things. Okay, then he is realizing now that last step. Then he is realizing because of the devil energy. Okay, he didn't realize it in one shot. So don't think he's coming running towards you because he, just instantly connected with you. Spirit has been telling him repeatedly. Universe played a very big role here. Universe has been telling him repeatedly that, this is what is your route. This is what you need to do. But now he self, even devil energy shows that he was very egoistic. He believed these false people more, and something that is so pure that, I always call divine feminine like a white swan. So something that is a white swan, he chose to harass this white swan. I don't know why that word came, harass. Let me know if some of you are physically abused as well. Okay? From a reader's mouth, things don't come out just like that. There is always somebody's energy, like I'm picking up your guys' energy. That's why it's happening like that. This egoistic way has to, surrender. I also got the card of 5 of Pentacles came twice. See? There will come a state in the future, if he doesn't do things quicker, literally he will beg you to be there. I'm seeing this as begging. You can see this person, right? How he's begging. I'm decoding the energy, guys. What is the energy is what I convey to you. Just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, 9 of Cups. And my, me saying, he tried a lot. He tried a lot to kill the love he has for you. Tried a lot to forget you. Because it didn't happen. It didn't happen because Spirit didn't let him. Because obviously you're this other half soul. How can... forgetting you is like forgetting himself. How to tell this guy all this? I think you guys did a lot, Divine Feminine. There is a lot of Divine Feminine's work here in this spread. And for Divine Masculine, I'm getting Devil. All this kind of energy. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles I got twice. Okay? Judgment, yeah. He's being called by the universe to make a call. This is his higher self also. His higher self already knew, like you are the one. Because I'll tell you something, Divine Feminine and Divine Masculine relationship is like that. For example, if Divine Masculine moves on with somebody, like he makes a girlfriend, he moves on, he marries, has kids, still there will come a scenario, could be 10 years later, 15 years later, where he has to break up, where everything falls down, again he has to come back to this woman. That is how a twin flame journey works, exactly. So the sooner it does it, the better. That's what the higher self... See, there is no doubt he loves you. Even the Divine Feminine loves him. But this behavior is what is questionable. I don't know why he does all this. I'm picking up on the angel answers. Forgiveness. We got this in the last time spread as well. He's asking for forgiveness. But he has to say it with his mouth, right? How are you going to forgive even without him telling that? He's ruining the present as well. See this. He's ruining the present as well. That's what I'm telling. Another 1 card and I'm then happy. I'm then gonna stop. So big happy changes. So I see there the Divine Masculine taking action because there is a lot of action. Okay, there is action. He has realized it big time, and as I said, Saturn has a very big role to play. I want you guys to put this in your mind because I know astrologically how Saturn works. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is the reading I have for you. I'm gonna do like in 2-3 days another energy update, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, like this video. Okay, so this is Deepa bidding bye. Bye guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.